Good morning, Tamina Khan is here in TKMaths O. In today's video, we will solve a question on circle theorem. And I will not just solve it, I will go through the properties also, right, one by one. Meanwhile, if you want to recap the properties, I have put it here, the image of all the properties with the diagrams, so that you can make connection here. So you can put the video on pause and revise all these concepts, all these properties. Okay, I will apply them in the question. So there are two questions I have selected. So this video will have the solution of one question which is in front of you. So let's see what is the question and then we will start solving it. So first question is saying find angle BAO. BAO is this angle. It means you have to find out this angle. And the next one is ADC. It means this angle. So we have to find out these two angles. Okay. Now, let's see what information is given to us here and how we can make use of it. Always read the description carefully. Sometimes what is given in the diagram is not everything. Sometimes few information is given in description. So first information, ABC is on the circle, C is the center. Fine. EA is tangent to the circle at A. We can see it here. Angle EAB is 61, which is mentioned here. Angle BAC is 55, which is mentioned here. So right now, all the description is in the diagram as well. So let's start one by one. We know radius and tangent. This is your tangent and this is your radius. They always make 90 degree. So if this whole is 90 degree and this much is 61, so 90 minus 61 will be what? 29. So this angle is 29 degree. Okay. So first information is here. Now I'm removing this 90 degree symbol from here. Okay. So now we know this is 29. Just a minute. Let me write it here. It has been erased. So it is 29. Now first answer we have given. Now we have to find out ADC, which is here. So what else do we have here? If this whole is 55, from 55, if I minus 29, I will get this angle, right? So what is 55 minus 29? 55 minus 29. It is 26. Okay. Now if this is 26, we know the radius of a circle is always equal in length. So it means AOC is your isosceles triangle. So this means this is also 26. If these two are 26, I can easily find out this angle. 180 minus 26 minus 26. Agreed? 180 minus 26. 180 minus 26 minus 26. So this is 128. Now how can this angle help me to find out ADC? Now here I want you to recall one thing. And what is that? See here. This is a circle. Let me draw here two circles to explain my point of view here. If I take a small arc on it, for example this much, right? And I draw one angle at the center here and other angle at the circumference here. This angle is double of this angle, okay? It is on the circumference. Try to be precise. And this is called angle at the center is twice angle at the circumference. If you notice, these two angles are facing this arc. This angle is facing this arc. This angle is also facing this arc, right? If I increase the size of this arc length, suppose let me take it this big, you will see how different the question looks like. But actually the concept will remain same. This is my center of the circle. Arc length I have taken big one. Now, this angle is the same as this one, right? And I'm making here another angle on the circumference. So this angle is double of this angle. Now let's go back to the question. So if you look at the question, the relationship between this angle and this angle is same as I have explained to you here. So this is my big arc length, okay, and this is the angle at the center, and this is the angle at the circumference. So now this angle is very easy to find out. Why? Because I know this is 128. If I minus it from 360, I will get it. So let's minus 360 minus 128, which is 232. So if you divide 232 by 2, you will get this required angle. And what is the reason for that? Angle at the center is twice angle at the circumference. So this angle is 116. So you can write here the property's name. I have told you here angle at the center is twice angle at the circumference. Here I told you isosceles triangle. Here I told you angle sum in a triangle. Here I told you tangent and radius make 90 degree. So all these properties you should remember, and when you are solving the question, keep writing the reason. So thank you very much for watching the video, and in the next video we will solve another question. Please press subscribe button and share it with your friends. Take care. Allah Hafiz.